time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. So if you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Remember, this is an educational video. Okay, so if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, guys, let's start with GAINEX 1200. Okay. Okay, guys, this is GAINEX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milk trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, guys, this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see the smooth running right from there. Okay, it gave us a downtrend signal, and of course, it gave us a sell signal at this point, and it sold till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from here, so it went back on uptrend. So at the moment, it is on a buy trend. Okay, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. We might experience some pullbacks in between, but it's going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so that is that. So let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be GAINEX 99. Okay, this is GAINEX 99. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, just the way we are seeing it right from here. Give us the downtrend signal and of course the sell signal, and it kept on selling. Got to this support zone, had a pullback, went back down to break out below that support zone, and of course has got into a new support zone. If it's unable to break out below that, it will go back into a buy trend. But if it breaks out below this particular support zone, then it will keep on selling. But for now, it is buying until it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so we should look out for that. Okay, so this is still buying. But if it breaks out below the support zone, it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should understand that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This actually came down till it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it tried to go back into a buy trend, got to this region, was unable to go further. So it's selling right now. If it breaks out below this support zone, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. So we should watch out for that. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long. Okay, so that is it. So next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This had been on downtrend for a very long time. There are pullbacks in between, and it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, and of course tried it out around the area and here. So right now it's trying to pull up. Okay, so if it should go above this, then it's going to buy more. So we expect more buying opportunity right from here, except if it breaks out below this particular support zone, that is when it should sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so for now it is a buy. Okay, until it breaks out below the support zone. Okay, now let's move on to the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while, and of course there are major pullbacks in between. However, it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It's trying to move up or push up to an uptrend, but we need it to break out above this trend line. If it breaks out above it, that means we have a guarantee that it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend and keep on trying the trend line until it is able to break out above it. We should watch out for that. Okay, so for now, this is still it's going to buy, but for now since it is still on downtrend, so it is still selling until it is on it is able to break out above the trend line. That is when it's going to buy more. So wait for the breakout before you decide if it's going to buy or not. If it does not break out above this trend line, then definitely it will keep on going down and down. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you're trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, And of course, make sure you follow up the instructions given in the video and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then,